Out in the breeze where the spices blow, a little cat with a heart aglow wanders far through wind and rain, chasing scents he can't explain. He's stirring up a dream in a pot that starts to gleam. From golden roots to magic spice, a pinch of love, a dash of nice. He's mixing joy and memory to serve a bowl of family. Across the bridge, through garden gates, he finds the taste that softly waits. A recipe once torn apart, now cooking with his heart. So gather round, let stories steam. Stir's cooking up a dream. Out in the breeze where the spices blow, a little cat with